Is India safe for foreign travelers? This is something that we are all asking nowadays. I've pretty much seen it all over the last 18 years, and in 95% of situations, I can pretty much say that having the right skills and language can help you avoid a lot of challenging situations. With most of the Hindi guides out there, they're going to start with Namaste, Mera naam Jessica hai, Aapka naam kya hai? Fine, not bad things to learn, but actually the things you need to know when you first get off the plane are none of those things. You need to know how to book an Uber to come pick you up. You need to know how to get out of an uncomfortable situation. You need to know how to count money and how to negotiate. You need to tell someone how to leave you alone if you're in a difficult situation. In my new Traveler's Hindi course you'll actually use, I weave in important skills alongside these challenging situations in the context of what's normal and an abnormal travel experience. The course includes Hindi phrases and tips regarding how to get around by taxi, plane, train, auto, all the various ways that you would want to get places, negotiation strategies and vocabulary, how to get out of scary or compromising situations, managing money, counting, and knowing how to use various payment platforms. This is my intro course for beginners. It's the shortest course I have, it's the easiest course I have, and it also is the cheapest. So I recommend that you start here if you're planning a trip to India. So join us for Traveler's Hindi you will actually use.